Mucus-Free Reviews and Tips once again. So today we're going to talk about a neti pot. We're going to talk about the uses of a neti pot, the dangers of a neti pot, and also how to use it safely. So let's go. This thing that looks like an Aladdin lamp has many health benefits. So first we're going to see the uses of a neti pot. A neti pot is mainly used to get relief from nasal congestion. It helps remove excess mucus buildup and also relieves nasal dryness. It gives relief from sinus headaches. It helps reduce snoring, and many ENT surgeons also recommend neti pots to their patients who have undergone a sinus surgery. Research also backs these claims that nasal irrigation can relieve sinus symptoms. So let's see how it works. Basically, there are hair-like structures called cilia inside the nasal and sinus cavities. So they move back and forth to remove the mucus or any kind of irritants from the nasal and sinus cavities. A saline solution increases the speed of cilia movement, which aids in effectively removing any kind of irritants and allergens inside the sinus or nasal cavities. Now let's hear about the dangers of using a neti pot. A neti pot, though has many benefits, it also has its own disadvantage if not used properly. A neti pot has to be cleaned and sterilized properly before and after use. Use only boiled and cooled water. Never use unboiled tap water because tap water may contain many kinds of infection-causing germs, particularly an amoeba called Naegleria fowleri. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. However, this amoeba can be very dangerous if it reaches the nasal cavities because it can pass on to the brain and cause infection. Do not use neti pot on children before consulting a pediatrician. So now let's see how to make a neti pot solution. For this you need 1 cup of lukewarm water, that is boiled and cooled water. To this you will add about half teaspoon of salt, that is preservative free and iodine free salt, with half teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is optional. I prefer adding only salt. Alternatively, you can also buy neti pot salt, which is available readily online. So let me show you a demo on how to use a neti pot. So here is my neti pot, which I have cleaned and sterilized using boiling water, and here is my solution for neti pot. It has 1 cup of lukewarm water, that is boiled and cooled water, with half teaspoon of salt. So I'll put my right hand behind my back and I'm going to start with my left nostril. Lean forward at about 45 to 50 degree angle and keep your mouth open. You will be breathing with your mouth and not with your nose. So let's start. Take a deep breath before you start and keep your mouth open as I said. Now we'll pour the water slowly. As I pour the water through my left nostril, you can see the water coming out of my right nostril, right? So it's very important to remember not to breathe with your nose. Otherwise the water is going to suffocate you, so comfortably breathe with your mouth. As soon as you're done, gently blow your nose and get rid of any water remaining in the nostril. Now we will repeat the process for the right side. For that, take a deep breath again and keep your mouth open. Lean forward at 45 to 50 degree angle and start pouring the water gently like this. This is a very safe and effective way of getting rid of any kind of irritants or allergens inside your nasal cavities. Follow the instructions correctly and use it safely. If you wish to buy a neti pot, please check the link in the description box. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, bye.